In front of me is Oppo Reno11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to access accessibility and convenience. Then scroll all the way down, click on simple mode and use this icon. Enter simple mode at the very bottom to activate it. As you can see, easy mode is on. To go back to the standard one, access settings, click on exit simple mode at the very bottom as well and wait after tapping on exit in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!